In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start your trading journal in Notion. Easy and perfect for beginners. By the end, you'll have a clean, simple place to record every trade so you can spot patterns, refine your strategy, and stay accountable. First, open Notion and log in. Once you're in, look at the left sidebar and click the plus icon to create a new page. Give your page a clear name so it's easy to find later. Type Trading Journal, then press Enter. You'll land on a blank canvas where we'll build your tracker. Click anywhere on the page and type /table, then choose Table Inline. This gives you a compact table that sits right inside your page, which is great for quick updates after each trade. Now let's set up the columns you actually need. Keep it simple with these basics: date, asset or pair, entry price, exit price, and profit or loss. Date tells you when the trade happened. Asset or pair is the stock, crypto, or Forex pair you traded. Entry price is where you got in, and exit price is where you closed. Profit or loss shows how that trade turned out. Keeping these fields consistent helps you calculate results and compare trades over time. If Notion adds any default columns you don't need, focus on the ones we just listed and use them moving forward. Next, fill in your first trade row with sample data. This acts as a template for how you'll enter future trades and helps you confirm your columns make sense. For example, pick a realistic date, choose an asset, and enter entry and exit prices that would generate a small gain or loss. Seeing that first row completed makes it easier to keep the habit going. When you're ready to log more trades, just click the New button at the bottom of the table and fill in the details. Try to add trades right after you close them so nothing gets forgotten and your data stays accurate. Consistency is what turns a table into insight. If you want to capture more context, you can optionally add a notes column, use it for your reasoning, market conditions, or what you'd do differently next time. These reflections become invaluable when you review your performance. And that's it, done. Log each trade after you make it to track your progress. Over time, the simple journal will highlight what works, what doesn't, and where you can improve. Your beginner trading journal is ready. Start tracking your trades today and subscribe for more simple tutorials.